times we've been live and we've seen the ice cream man?
It's been a couple of times.
We should go. We should just have everybody go. Just say all your ice cream.
We should do a fun.
Just say all your ice cream. Just buy them out.
We got bigger.
We got bigger fish to fry. We can do that later. That would be fun, though. That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
Everybody go buy one ice cream.
All right, Staley checking in.
Oh my God, that's such a good idea, though. All right, we're gonna park. Everybody move out. The ice cream man's coming in. But we're coming to you live from the first annual RT Fest here in beautiful Augusta, Georgia.
Are you as excited as I am about this one? Some people kind of knew about the Chuckwagon. So
of course, yeah. We let you. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that a month ago. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow Ray on Facebook and Instagram as well. Make sure you follow everybody here at RT because you would probably have already known about these products before. We've actually had a local restaurant, like I said, Southbound Smokehouse. Purchased 3 of them. We've been hanging out there, showing them how to use them properly and the most efficiently way possible to use them. So you guys could have already found out about the other girls, but. You said, what did you just say to me? You said, what do you think people are going to think about this one?
They're about to be mind blown.
I'm proud of this product.
I am so.
You know, I'm so proud to show everybody out there what this product is.
There is 25 racks of ribs on this.
25
right
St. Louis cut racks of ribs on this thing behind us. What are we?
Let's go back behind the screen and introduce it.
You want to go? You ready?
Y'all roll out. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now present to you the second reveal of the day.
What's happening? This is the RT BFG.
Let him soak it all in.
It weighs in at 450 pounds, 53 pounds. Comes standard, competition cart, front shelf, push bars, both ends, a 53-pound hopper, double smokestacks. It gets over 500 degrees. Got all stainless steel interiors.
Show me the inside rack. 2
lights,
Woo!
3 shelves, 25 racks of ribs.
Oh, look at that.
The crowd's getting excited. They know they're about to eat these. They're going to be done in about 15. The most exciting thing.
I'm super excited about this, guys. Of course, it's going to come with that 6-year bumper-to-bumper RT factory warranty, so you don't have to worry about this bad boy. But we affectionately call it the BFG.
Big, funny grill. Big flipping grill.
Big Flanagan grill.
Grill.
Big Flanagan grill is what I'm going to call it.
Big
funny.
Big. What? Well, you use your imagination.
We're going to leave the F up to you. But of course, guys, it's going to come with that pellet Wi-Fi connectivity. Of course, it's going to come with the Smart Grill technology. But on the inside of it, I don't want to open it again. Chef Greg already gave us an ugly look for looking at it again. We got a bunch of people wanting these ribs. But on the inside, of course, it's going to have that stainless steel fire pot. Of course, it's going to have the ceramic ignition system.
The body is stainless steel.
The body, of course, is going to be stainless steel, Ray. Everything on the inside is going to be that 304 stainless steel that we rely on. You guys, we affectionately introduce you to the BFG. Online, available now at rectechgrills.com. Ray,
check this out. This grill is going to retail for $27.99. We are accepting pre-orders. They will be shipped the end of April or the very beginning of May, worst case scenario. The sooner you order, you're in line to be shipped first. So it weighs 450 pounds, 53-pound hopper, dual smokestacks, smart grill technology. It's got dual lights inside, which you're not going to be able to see today.
Got the hydraulic
system
for this lid. This lid is super heavy.
It's also got a rod here for hanging sausage and smoking meats as well.
And it's got 2 lights on the inside, and it is running a single fire pot.
Now that top and that middle rack, those are removable, correct?
Correct, sir.
You can remove these.
And then on the bottom, you're looking at about, 1,200 square inches?
It's about 1,200 square inches on the bottom rack.
Just on the bottom rack.
This is 44 inches wide from right to left, to give you an idea. We believe, and we haven't tested exactly, this will hold about a 150-pound hog, I'm thinking. About a 150-pound hog will fit on this
The rods on this bad boy is, it's bigger than a 1/4 inch. What is that, 5/16?
5/16.
Right, so these rods, it's 304 stainless steel. This thing, if you can feel it, if you can touch it, if you can see it, this thing is it's not a beast, but it's a BFG, baby.
It's a BFG.
It's a big freaking grill.
It's a big freaking grill.
Super, super proud of this thing. And it's amazing at how even these grills cook. I mean,
If you
guys
look
can see-
top to bottom, right to left on the ribs, Greg's gonna get
Absolutely.
mad again.
Greg's gonna get pissed. But front, back, left to right, these ribs are cooking so evenly, guys. But we are super proud of this. Of course, it's going to come with the ceramic ignition system. Of course, it's going to come with that pellet Wi-Fi connectivity. It's going to come with longer probes, longer than the 700.
This has dual drip pans. It funnels to the right and the left, but it has a single fire pot, as he mentioned. But it's a larger fire pot than you've seen in the past with a higher RPM motor. This grill, actually, this size gets over 500 degrees, just like the Beast, and just like the 700. It's a huge grill.
So it's got dual smokestacks, so that way the smoke and heat exit evenly. So that's going to be a super even cook for you
With the
guys.
3 racks in, it's over 2,600 inches of square inches of cooking space.
So, can you recap for us just one more time for our viewers who may have just tuned in? This bad boy will retail at what?
$27.99.
Country Club, and without going in that direction, I want you to come around. I want you to show everybody the full. I want you to go all the way around to this bad boy. Look at the backside. I always like to look at the backside of things when I'm checking them out. You know what I mean?
Especially the BFG.
Especially the BFG. But
Check
do
this
not go
out.
that way.
Share this video. Be careful.
What happens if they share this video?
You are entered to win. Oh, I can tell now. So we are giving away a BFG as one of the prizes. So if you share this video, you are entered to win a BFG, a 700, 5 Matadors, and the next reveal is also going to be in that contest. So every time you share, you are entered once, and we are going to have those drawings. I was thinking about announcing the winner at the After Hours show Wednesday night.
Well, I think we're going to go Mail Monday at 4:30.
Mail Monday.
Mail Monday.
At 4:30, we will announce the winners. So please share. Winners.
It's all right, buddy.
I've
We're
only been
live.
drinking
We're
water.
live. We're live. It's okay. We can.
We'll announce the winners, and so please share and tell your friends to share as well.
Yeah, front show. Yeah.
Oh, hey, let's bring the co-founder. The co-founder.
Hey, look at me.
He's never on here.
Ron
Come
Cundy,
on,
everybody.
nice things. Front shelf, standard on this grill.
Standard.
Comp cart, standard. Comes standard on this grill.
If you start doing the math,
Yeah.
if you start doing the math from the 700, the comp cart, the 700 is $11.99 plus the comp cart is an extra $400 plus the front shelf's an extra $100. This comes standard with the BFG. At $27.99. So it's an excellent value for 2,600 square inches of cooking space, 1,200 square inches on the bottom rack alone. With a 53-pound hopper, it weighs in at 450 pounds. This is truly a big freaking grill.
And talking about the standard features on this, it's also got the tie-down racks for them. So if you wanted to load it up in a trailer, take it to a competition, of course you can. It's also got storage area. None of our other grills technically have any kind of storage area. With this, you can look up underneath the comp cart. You can actually store your extra shelves. You can actually store, your searing kits, your pellets. You can do anything in that. So it's awesome. This thing comes awesome. Comes standard with a lot of great features for sure. We're super proud of it.
Share the
Guys,
video, tell your friends
check
about
out these
the
ribs
BFG,
one more time.
and let's look at these ribs. We're about to serve these guys up. These been going about 6 hours at 220,
6 hours at
250.
225. Guys, don't forget we will be going live when we go off air here. We will be going live on Twitter for some more behind the scenes action. So don't forget to follow us. Do not. Sorry, I'm standing in front of it. I don't want to stand in front of that thing. I want the people to check it out. Check this thing out. Share it on the internet, guys.
Tuesday, 3 a.m. Pacific, 12 Eastern.
3 a.m. Tuesday, really, you're right.
Oh.
3 a.m. technically Tuesday.
For Pacific.
Yes, yeah.
All right, guys. We are live here in beautiful Augusta, Georgia at the first annual RecTech Fest. If you could turn around, you'd see about 200 of our closest friends. Woo!
Yeah, well, there we go.
That was a close one. That was a close one.
Hey, follow us on
See you
Twitter.
at 3.
See you at 3 back on Facebook.
Let's get
guys.
wild at 3.
Yeah.